there's a pretty serious washout just ahead, so it looks like I'm in for a few extra kilometers of road walking. Let's see. Not sure what to do. I'm an hour into it and there is a lot of snow, and this would actually be pretty fun to ski. And I do have my skis in the car. It's just, do I want to walk all the way back and grab them? I think I do. It's May 2024 and still very much winter up at 1800 meters here near the town of Cranbrook, BC. So the plan is to hike, actually ski now, up to Wild Horse Lookout on Lakit Mountain, and maybe even spend the night if I'm brave enough. I'm at the official trailhead that you can usually drive to in the summer. And my chair is the roof of the outhouse. The last couple hours have just been a lot of work. It's really steep, but here we are, just peeking out of the snowbank. It appears that I'm gonna have to dig my way in. I got a couple of the windows open and swept the place. There's a cute little stove here, so I might go see if I can harvest some dead wood. Let's see what else we got here. Oh yeah, look at this logbook back to 1983. Lots of logbooks. Oh, there's the outhouse. Well, it's a pretty comfortable night and beautiful morning up here on Lakit Mountain.